Sheepboard.
Sheepboard we found.
Sort of piece of wood. I'm like, oh no, that's
Oh, look at that.
sheepboard.
The doll sheepboard. Got a little stove here. You can see how bad the snowstorms are. They blow snow through any crack. All the different fish they've caught. 19 and a half, 17 and a half, 19 and a half inches. Well, that's awesome. These are grizzly bear shutters. They got all the nails sticking out, keep the grizzly bears from tearing up the windows. You can feel that temperature drop and the sun's starting to go down.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get back soon.